Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the TechTinkTronics channel where we're going to be doing a little review of the MSI Geforce GT710. It's a TechTinkTronics review. I did a review on this before on my channel. It didn't, for some reason, go over too well, and I felt that I had not put my best forth effort in doing a review, an honest review. And this is a card that I bought for like around $50. It's good to upgrade with, an old system that maybe doesn't have the HDMI out that this would have for you. So we'll get into my review. This is one of the few graphics processing units based upon NVIDIA's GeForce GT710. It's manufactured using the 28 nanometer technological process. The card is targeted at the desktop market segment. The card's graphics frequency is 954 megahertz. Furthermore, it has 192 key to cores, 16 texture units, 8 ROPs. The GeForce GT710 2GB comes with 2 gigabytes of DDR3 memory utilizing a 64-bit bus. Memory clock is at 800 megahertz, which gives 12.8 gigabit memory bandwidth. The GPU needs 2 slots on the motherboard. This model uses up to 19 watts of power, and it was launched in March of 2014. Name brand. The manufacturer is MSI. Model number is a GT710 2GB. Part number GT710 2GD3. Based upon NVIDIA's GeForce GT710 for the desktop market segment. The die name is GK28 architecture. Kepler Foundation process is 28 nanometer bus. The bus interface is PCIe 2.0 times 16 with 8 lanes. We'll talk about the frequency, which is clocked at 954 megahertz tops. Memory size is 2 gigabytes or 2048 megabytes. Type DDR3. 800 megahertz available memory clock. Memory clock effective is 1600 megahertz with memory interface of 64-bit. Memory bandwidth at 12.8 gigabit per second. And we have 19 watts of power draw. And the maximum GPU temperature is 95 degrees Celsius. The video features on this is maximum digital resolution of 4096 by 2160. Maximum DVI resolution is 2560 by 1600. Maximum HDMI resolution is 4096 by 2160 at 24 Hz or 3840 times 2160 at 30 Hz. Maximum BGA resolution is 2048 times 1536. Anti-aliasing technologies FXAA and TXAA with HDMI version 1.4a. We have performance of a pixel fill rate of 7.63 gigapixels per second, texture fill rate of 15.26 gigatexels per second. Single precision computer power is 366.34 G-flops. So in the day, this was something that you could do something with, but with everything advancing, I don't know if you can run GTA 5 on it, but I would like to try. The device I have to run this on is this eMachines ET1331G05. It's an AMD Athlon 2X2 dual-core processor. I got this machine about 2011-ish. I have a stick of RAM with DDR2 memory of 1 gigabyte. I have a 120 gigabyte solid state drive, SATA connection. I have 16 times DVD write drive, which I'm not really using for this, and it has built-in GeForce 6150 SE integrated graphics. I was running Windows XP Black Edition, but I also decided to install Windows 10 in order to run better hardware testing software. So I won't get into the specs of the NVIDIA GeForce 6150 SE because I tried to look it up online and could not find much to say about it. But this is what I overall found. It's not that great of performance. It's more for business, more applications, that sort of thing. So So further on, we are going to run some benchmarks. I ran a benchmark in Windows XP, then I installed Windows 10, and we're going to run some benchmarks on that as well. Performance tests, 9.0 evaluation version. So I want to run a benchmark, see what it has. So we'll go ahead and run this test. There are a number of tests that are ran with this application. These tests take a little bit of time. Okay, it's running back buffer, various graphics tests, as you can see. Like the 2D graphics test that it does. Interesting. Not bad. Cool. Well, I mean, this is what you get if you're going to try to play a game on it. I mean, play your old games on it quite well. Huh. Okay. Those Passmark tests your whole system, which is really cool. Everything from 2D graphics, 3D graphics, the CPU, the memory, and the disk. Okay, we're at the disk part of this benchmark. Okay, we're just finishing up with the disk test. I don't know how it's going to test the CD DVD read, but as you can see up here, I don't have a disk in it. Okay. But let's see what we have. So right now, looking like the pass mark rating performance test 9.0 for this is 710.6. This is a complete result with all tests executed. So, I mean, this is what we get. I don't know how to make it any better. Maybe you guys can help me make it better. I mean, we're getting like 13 FPS. Graphics are going at 1081 megahertz. Memory is going at 1015 megahertz with a temperature of 44, 45 degrees Celsius. But yeah, I mean, it's running pretty cool. But this is the extent of what kind of gaming you can do. So we're not, I mean, I don't expect a great benchmark from this. I mean, look at this. But maybe I could do something to make it better. Okay, so it's choppy as heck. Wow, 6 frames per second. So I can't play games on it. Can you? Put a comment below, like, subscribe, share. But that's all I know how to make this card do.